the giveaway for the Ice Age booster pack from day 100. This is mostly just to go live, just so that you guys see that this is legit and not fixed or anything like that. So let's go ahead and shuffle. There, let's shuffle one more time. And let's go ahead and spin and let's see who's the winner. And Haley from TikTok. All right, sweet. So I'll go ahead and reach out to you, Haley, and I'll post this video obviously on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Thank you everybody for joining, and tomorrow I will have another giveaway, something that I got from Vegas. All right, have a good one.